Amasiko ga timu ya Nyamutiyobora Football Club kugaruza umutwe ahigura gahwire ubwa nyuma yo kubingwa muri igiye cyanga cya Bugwizoba ahabwo kurema kwikirize berukwetengwa ikirangirirwa mu rukiko rwa bono rwo mwaka rwe cyangece aho Nyamutiyobora kirugwe yarubiriza hamwe na Rubare yantungamo zibingirwe nuko kutasiya mu timu munanensya.
The other members that were also expelled, the third division clubs, that is Kirugu Football Club, Nyamutiyobora Football Club, and Rubare Football Club.
Urukiko rukwirirwe chairman Seka Mutaka kandi rwetabirwemo Rogers Murindo Jwekire president wa FUFI Engineer Moses Magogo rutongwize mbarira ya miliyoni 68 kandi rwayongera rwagamba hanshonga yo kushashurwa kwa ba referee ompira gw'abakazi okukora televeragiro byo mpira hamwe no kutungura mpira mu cyangece. Rogers Murindo arangirire ko Moses Magogo yarkwija kwesimba ho kurondo bw'ebembezi ahabwa inchiro ya kashatu.
Moses Magogo Hasim Sarongo will seek another term as the FIFA president. We have already asked him that he has steered the chair very well.
Activities zompira nezikwetaga sente so budget ejo ya miliyoni 68 neyo kurango ya yamba regional office n'abandi executive n'abandi bino kunanze kurango batamusemera mu yompira mu Western Uganda.
Basabye wanshandi bale kikulu ebitongole binonye ensimbi babinyweze buli region ebere ne kitongole kinonye ensimbi abakitunzi kubanga abantu banje bagalo tuteka mu mpira butuba nembalaranga city kitegeeza ntusobola kubako n'ebintu ebira bingi tusobola okukola wano mu mbalango mpira.
Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.